Hi everybody, we're going to be doing a lesson on diffusion today. So to start out, we're going to click this link on my website, and then we'll go right here where you see the link to our content. It should pull up this assignment here. So we're doing our unit on diffusion right now. So we're going to be learning a little bit more about how things like number of particles, mass, radius, and initial temperature can affect diffusion rates. So right now, we see that there's this green line. So we got like two little boxes here. So if we were to add in some blue particles, we'll do 10 on this side and 10 on this side. We'll see that they can't pass and touch each other. So what I want you guys to do is try out different things, like maybe adding a little bit more mass and recording on your website or on your little page how that affects your particles. So right now, I don't really see a difference in the way that they're moving with a mass change to 32 instead of 28. But what if in the blue side, we made it really hot in there? So let's make it real hot. Right now, I'm still not seeing a super big difference, but what if on the red side, it was cold? What do we notice now? We see that on the blue side, all of our particles are moving really fast, but on the red side now, they're moving really slow. What if we change the red side's radius? So now they're a lot bigger. Now they're moving super, super slow. So after you try that, I want you to put on your scale so that you can see how much they're moving. Then you're going to put on the particle flow rate. You don't see it right now, but it'll show up in just a second. A stopwatch and the center mass. So you can see where most of the particles are on this side. You can see the blue line's moving a lot more on this side since the particles are moving more. And you'll see on the red side, they're barely moving because their mass and the radius are so large. Alrighty, so now to start all of it, you're going to remove your divider, but first you're going to start the timer. So I want it to be like in intervals of 1. So you're going to test it for 1 minute, and after 1 minute, you're going to make a recording of what happened with your particles. So if I started my timer and removed the divider, we start to see this is moving this way, right? The particle flow rate, and the center of mass is moving, whereas the red, it's pretty much staying the same. So after I get to 1 minute, I'm going to pause it, and we'll see that now it's still moving around, but we saw that at a minute, when the red particles get on this side where the temperature is hotter, they're able to move faster, whereas on this side, everything's moving slower, and you would record that down in your notes.